Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, Monday prep on a Sunday, so let's get to it. Fute's down a little bit right now off that Moody's news. No big deal. We're not going to worry about it. If we're not trading Fute's, we don't have to sweat anything. We just want to see where the market opens. That's the most important for us right now. Go ahead and take a look at our customer sentiment, 575 to 600. We now actually have 600 on the board. Amazing. After that big run up all the way from the bottom there. Been crazy. Customers tapering off a little bit on Friday. Maybe they knew about that dip. I'd say they're kind of in that bullish to neutral zone right now. Let's see what other whale targets pop up throughout the week. Going into our dart pools, no sig prints to worry about. Our largest is still down at 565, very far from price. We're starting to see 586 start to get some love as well, and 591 is getting quite a bit as well. And there's a big gap in between those two if we have a really bad day. Jumping into our gamma. Plain and simple on the ag, holding 587, very important. That brings us up into 590. Above 590, we get room all the way up to that 599 from this small little positive gamma cluster here. Biggest pull on the board currently is 600. So we'll see how that plays out and how that changes throughout the week. We'll go ahead and take a look at Monday real quick, then get you out of here. Monday, pretty simple if I remember looking at it correctly. 591 is our pivot point. So if you recover and get above 591 and we hold there and do not break below on Monday, then we get a nice move up to 595 again. And if we somehow can get past that with some bullish flow, 597. If we cannot break 591. Let's say we get a little bit of a ramp up at the open and we cannot stay above that, then we really have room down to 585. Biggest pull on the board tomorrow is 588. Would not be shocked if this is where we trade. A little bit of downside before 600 if it hangs on the board. Would not shock me, but not too bad. We'd just be in the same place we were a little bit early in last week. So no big deal. 585 to 591 is our first range. 591 to 595 and potentially 597 is our second range. We'll see how gamma shapes up throughout the week, but it's that easy going into tomorrow. Pretty clean range for us thus far. That is all for now. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.